嚟自馬尼拉，芳齡22歲，直貫上海。
黃埔近每日前，世界安寧，多謝。你行得好快啊，我都跟唔住㗎。I hope we could feed the bananas, but they're running away from us. 我追他想喂他吃的，帶他們老跑，累死了。It's a failure to feed the giraffe, so what would he do? 唉，我哋淨要慢啲啊，佢哋就唔去抱㗎啦。好吃的吃的，他都不想要吃，怎麼辦呢？
只恐怕這裏只會看得起假的真偽。
嚟睇睇13號佳麗嘅片段先啦。
英槍除咗係中國傳統兵器，仲可以用嚟表演雜耍添。睇下13號佳麗舞完一輪，仲表演踢槍添，仲耍手花式咁樣喎。喂，咁樣踢槍法係人都得啦。
13號楊如意，芳齡22歲，嚟自馬尼拉。Hi there。
大家好，
大家好。
Hello，楊小姐講好少廣東話，你幫我翻譯下啦。
好。
我睇佢資料就話佢最大嘅秘密咧就係呃過佢男朋友，唔知佢呃過佢乜嘢咧
Your biggest secret is lying to your boyfriend. Is that right?
I cheated on my ex-boyfriend before.
You cheated on your ex-boyfriend 啊？
我已經係 X，
直情係已經因為就係呃咗佢啦，所以已經係 X 噶啦。
究竟呃過乜嘢咁大罪咧
What are you cheating on him about?
Oh, because he didn't treat me well, and I didn't feel that I was getting the respect I needed as a woman.
佢對佢唔好啊，佢覺得佢唔備受尊重啊。
咁啊抵呃啦，係嘛？而家呢個咧，而家呢個男朋友咧，
而家有冇男朋友 ？Do you have a boyfriend now?
Yes.
有冇呃過佢啊
Are you planning on cheating him?
No, never, because he treats me well, and Filipino men and Chinese men treat women very well. That's why, he's a mixed Filipino-Chinese.
Oh, he's half
Yeah.
Chinese and half Filipino.
Yes.
哦，咁佢話咧，一半嘅呢個菲律賓人，一半嘅中國人咧，嗰個成個感覺就好好，而且係對女生好好，好尊重佢哋嘅，所以佢覺得呢個一定唔會咧係講大話或者對佢唔好嘅。
祝福佢啊！
希望係啦嚇。
OK，
唔該曬你。